Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called AuthoredUp, and this is the best LinkedIn content creation and analytics tool. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Talking about this platform now, creating content on LinkedIn is something that is going to be really boosting your, let's say, niche. If you are trying to view your post that you are creating, we have this different type of compatibility option or the device. So this is going to be showing you how it is going to be portraying in different platforms. You can go to, let's say you want to switch for light or dark theme. On the left side you have your editor. You can add in here, like for example, hello, and this is how it is going to be looking. And I'm adding some text, so you can see this looks really cool. You can even enter your name, headline in here as well. You can make it bold if you want to do that, and a lot of other features as well. If you want to add some kind of emoji, you have that option as well in here. So basically you are trying to create a post that is looking unique and attractive. In the drafts is going to be your posts that are draft. You can even export your CSV file in here. In the calendar section you can schedule or highlight different type of options. So what is going to be going on in the post section are going to be your posts that you have created. The analytics are going to be displaying different type of performance reviews that you are going to be having on your posts that you are getting and creating, also the content that you are making. So this is something that you should try out. Now if you are still unsure about the platform and whether it is worth it or not, let me tell you about its information. You can see AuthoredUp reviews and testimonials within the impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. Based on over 200 user reviews, it is clear that many professionals have benefited from this tool. Users have praised AuthoredUp for its user-friendly nature, value features, and cost-effective pricing. So something that you should try out using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.